On the last House of Chop, we ran the air lines for the water separating manifold, got everything hooked into the QST Scroll Compressor, and I ran around screaming in a lab code.
Quiet, please! Quiet! I must insist!
And with all that out of the way, I can get to the video I promised you guys oh so long ago of seeing the B60 blast cabinet in action. Guys, I just have a few more connections to make. Let's get started. Clean dry air? Check. High flow air couplers hooked up? Check. The last thing is blast material, and I've chosen 80 grit glass speed fist. It's a great all-around abrasive. Let's get it in the cabinet so we can get started. The QST Scroll Compressor is fired up and filling the airlines up to capacity. I'm just a few moments away from doing some blasting now. Wow, did you see how I made short work of the rusted scale that was on that complete throwaway of a 66 Mustang battery tray? Unbelievable. The dust collector kept my vision clean and clear. The QST Scroll Compressors kept right up with us and never fell behind. Let's go find someone paint on it. It did a knockout job on that battery tray. I'm gonna try this next. Check this out. This is a little toy truck I found in the woods on my parents' acreage in upstate New York. A long time ago, I had blasted this side of it. You can see the rust is still in the pits with one of those portable abrasive blasts, like the cylinder on wheels style one. Let's pop this in the B60 and see how it does. There it is, fresh out of the blast cabinet, and it is looking good. The B60 did 100 times better than that old system I had. Awesome, look at that. Nice. We've seen it work, but let's address the #1 burning question on Instagram and here, since I posted my first video of this, which, if you haven't seen it, go watch. Is it blowing blast material all over my shop? Does it leak? The answer, nope, not even a little bit. Absolutely not. Just build it the way Eastwood told you to, guys, and it'll all work out just fine. Imagine that. With that said, it's a wrap on the B60 blast cabinet. I'm super impressed with this. Went together easy, works great. What more could you ask for? And I want to thank you guys for tuning in to this point. Thank you so much. If you haven't seen that first video I was talking about, go check it out. There's a load of information there. And if you do me the favor, subscribe, like, leave me some comments on the comment section. I'd be happy to answer your questions. And I'm going to leave some links for this in the description so you guys can get all the particular information you may need there. And on that note, that's it. I'm done. I'll catch you guys on the next build.